This is Vicki Liston and Bailey Bobcat with On the Fly DIY, and you're watching Hometalk. Let's get started.
For the base of the table, you'll need a laundry basket, rope, a hot glue gun, and glue sticks. Start at one end and wrap the rope around the basket, gluing as you go. Continue until you have the entire basket covered with the rope. While I like the texture of the rope, its natural color doesn't exactly match my decor. To fix this, I'm brushing on a wood stain. This dark gray tint will also complement my tabletop design. For the tabletop, you'll need a piece of wood wider than the top of your basket. I'm using a 2-foot square piece of plywood that I chopped the corners off of to make an octagon, but you can also use an off-the-shelf wood circle or square. Using the measuring tape, find dead center of your tabletop. Mark with a pencil. Find a picture or design you want for your tabletop and print it out using a laser printer and standard paper. If your picture or design is larger than one printed page, tape them together on the back of the paper. Ensure that the tape does not sit over any part of the toner. Cut away any extra white paper that doesn't have toner on it. Generously apply and brush the photo transfer medium onto the printed side of the paper. Since my design is busy and I want to make sure I didn't miss any spots, I'm adding some transfer medium to the tabletop as well. Use soap and water to clean up any oops spots, like that one I blooped on the floor. Carefully place your design face down and smooth and rub out any air bubbles. Now comes the hard part. Wait. The photo transfer medium needs at least 12 hours to dry and cure, so set it aside and find another project to work on. After you've waited at least 12 hours, you can start removing the paper. Spritz plain water onto the paper and using your fingers, carefully rub the surface in a circular motion. The paper will start to flake off and you can brush it away. Work carefully so you only remove the paper and not the toner. Allow to dry and respritz as needed where you see paper remaining. Continue rubbing and spritzing until all of the paper is gone. If you are transferring a black and white or grayscale picture and accidentally rub some of the toner off, you can fill it in with a colored pencil. Seal and protect your design with a spray clear coat. Finally, add a couple of handles. The side table is perfect for storing away throws, pillows, and other important items you want to keep nearby but out of sight.
Thanks for watching Home Talk. Bailey and I will see you next time.